Alright friends, today we're tackling Sam the Cooking Guy's famous chicken enchiladas. Sam's been on YouTube, God, as long as I can remember. Makes great stuff. I've made a lot of his products, his recipes, never had a miss. And this one we're going to take on. So we're going to start off with a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. Easy, just cheap, buy it, shred it, and then we're going to put that into a large mixing bowl, and we're going to add a small can of green chilies. These are mild, you can use hot if you prefer. Then I'm going to add about a quarter cup of green chili verde sauce and about 6 ounces of shredded jack cheese. And then we're going to give this a real good mix. And this is going to be the filling for our chicken enchiladas. Now, we're going to bring out our baking dish. I've got a cookie sheet for my work area, and then a bowl that I'm going to put chicken broth in. So, put some heavy whipping cream at the bottom of that baking dish. Mix that all around. Put some chicken broth in the bowl. And get our flour tortillas. They're the 12-inch ones. I'm sorry, 8-inch ones. And we're going to soak those in the chicken broth for about 3 or 4 seconds just to get them pliable. Then we're going to add our chicken mixture. And we're going to roll, tuck, and roll up nice and tight. And place that into our baking dish. And we're going to be able to fit about 9 of these into this baking dish. So we'll go ahead and speed this up a bit. Now we got them all done. We're going to cover the tops with some more heavy whipping cream. And while I'm doing that, if I could ask you to please remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel. And I also have a link to Sam the Cooking Guy's channel down below. So once we have that covered, we're going to cover the top now with shredded jack cheese. Make sure you get all the corners covered. Nice. And I've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. And as soon as we get this all covered with the cheese, we're going to pop it in the oven for between 20 and 30 minutes or until that cheese starts to get nice and golden brown. So with the magic of film, boom, it's time to remove. And that's perfect. Look at how golden brown that is. So we're going to set that to the side and let that rest for a few minutes. And while that's resting, we're going to start on our sauce to top our enchiladas with. And for that, you're going to need 1 small package of pork chorizo. We're going to add that to our saucepan. And we're going to cook that on medium-low for about 5 to 6 minutes. Get it cooked nice. And once that's cooked thoroughly, we're going to add about half a cup of heavy whipping cream to the chorizo. And we'll mix that up real good. And that will be our sauce. So it's going to be time to plate. The enchiladas have rested, so they're easy to cut out of the baking dish and place on a plate. And then we'll take a ladle and we'll ladle on 1 spoonful or 1 ladleful of our sauce right on top. And there you have Sam the Cooking Guy's famous chicken enchiladas. Trust me, go to his site, watch how he does it, or watch mine. This is how you want to make them. These things are fantastic. Thank you.